These are the ingredients.
They will also be in the description box.
First, weigh out the butter and both sugars into a large bowl.
Then, add an egg and the vanilla extract.
Whisk it all together.
Sieve in the flour and the salt.
And whisk.
Once it is all combined, stir in the chocolate chips.
Using a teaspoon, scoop some dough onto a baking tray.
Repeat until all the dough has been used.
Bake in a preheated oven
For 6 to 8 minutes or until golden brown.
It is normal for them to rise up when cooking,
but they will flatten down as soon as you take them out of the oven.
This is the final product. Enjoy baking!